Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 18, 2022. One star Sudoku. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining 259. Third row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come any one of the two cells. Fifth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 8. Sixth grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 3. It will come in the two cells. Seventh row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, 4 numbers are remaining 4, 6, 7, 8. Column G, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 7, 9. Fifth grade, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column E, only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth grade, only 1 number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 9. 9th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. It will come in one of the two cells. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. 1 and 4. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 8. Column F, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in the two cells. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in any of the two cells. Fourth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Third row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 6, 8. Third grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. It will come in another two cells. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, 4 numbers are remaining 4, 8, 2, 9. 9th grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth row, 4 numbers are remaining 4, 8, 2, 9. first grid we have 219, so 219 can't come these cells, it will come another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Column C we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column D we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, then 5 is confirmed here. 7th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 9th row 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 7, 9. 9th grid we have 9 and 6, so 9 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, it will come in another 2 cells. Column I we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column I 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th grid we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 6th grid only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column H only 1 number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. 5th row only 1 number is remaining, 9, 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G only 1 number is remaining, 7, 7 is confirmed here. 6th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8, it will come in any other 2 cells. Column C we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column D we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 8th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column C we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column D we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.